NMAP Network Mapper is a powerful open-source tool for network exploration, security analysis, and auditing. Here are 5 important facts that you should know about NMAP. NMAP can scan ports, identify operating systems, run scripts, and perform other advanced network probes using customized packets and various scanning techniques. NMAP was developed by Gordon Lyon, also known as Fyodor, in the 1990s and has become a staple of the cybersecurity and network administration arsenal. And NMAP can be used on different platforms, Windows, Linux, macOS, and has a command line interface as well as a graphical user interface called ZenMap. NMAP has a large and active community of users and developers who contribute to its documentation, source code, and script library. NMAP has been featured in many movies, TV shows, books, and games as a hacking tool, such as The Matrix Reloaded, Mr. Robot, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo, and Watch Dogs. To conclude, NMAP is used to discover hosts and services on a network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. Don't forget to subscribe!